that you clicked on this video for Wild Words Wednesday. Miss Kristin always gets super excited about wild words because they help us to read. Last week, we learned that letters go together to make words, and words go together to make sentences. Are you ready? Okay, let's review real quick. Okay, guess what time it is? It's finally time for us to get started. Do you have a mat that looks like this? One thing Miss Kristin does is I take some tape pieces and I push down a couple of the edges so that it doesn't pop up on me, but then it'll stay nice and flat, okay? If you don't have tape, that's okay. Let's just go ahead and start our matching game. Now, if you've already opened these cards and they went everywhere, that's okay. Just gather them up and start to lay them out, okay? Now, they should be in order already when you first get them, which is kind of cheating, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them down and spread them out, okay? I like to spread them out so that I can see the picture and the letter too. Oh, here's all of the yellow ones. I'm gonna put the yellow ones all together. Can you see them? The yellow ones we've talked about are the fancy ones. And when they have the yellow color, they like you to say their name. Those are the long vowels. Oh, here's another yellow. Put them over here. Do the same thing as Miss Kristin. Put them over here at the side, okay? Here's one more yellow, and the rest of them are all mixed up. It's more fun to mix them. If you have them facing this way, turn them over. It's just like a puzzle. You need to be able to see the pictures on each card. Okay, did you spread them out like me? If you didn't get finished yet, that's okay. Pause the video so you can do yours and finish. They should just look just like this. Okay, we're ready to begin. Miss Kristin is just going to play some soft music, and we are going to find each card together. When I pick it up, you say the sound. That's right, that's the camera card, and it makes k-k-k. Can you find the camera? Good. Okay, ooh, here's one. Z says zipper. You know that one goes at the end. I say, Miss Kristin, why do they have these at the end? That's not the end. Z is at the end. But that's okay because those are the special letters that are vowels, remember? They have a green and a yellow for each one of the vowels because all of the vowels make two sounds. They make the short sound and the long sound. Let's slide this down just a little bit. It might get wrong for a second, but we'll fix it. We'll make it right. Okay, that's as good as we can do for now. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good job. Okay, now are you ready to go on? Okay, find this card. That's right, Gary the gopher says g, g, g. This is monkey. Monkey eats the banana and he says Focus on that monkey. Now it'll focus. Did you find the monkey? Good job. Sizzling sausages say s, s, s. Leo the lion licks. He says ooh, ooh, ooh. Yoshio and Yolanda are yaks. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yeah. Oh, this is Miss Kristin. Rosie Robot works and works, and she wants to work around the house, and she says, Find her? Good. Okay. the nose on the horse. We don't say horse, we say nose. And the horse says neigh. Okay, what's this one? Can you find it? Fox. Now, this is one of the O's right here. But I don't want you to put on the yellow one, but you don't want you to put it on the green one. Ox. He says off. Pick another one. Do you want to do it in your order? You can do it in your order, and I'll do it in mine, and we can both finish together. And this one? Pig. When you tickles the pig, he giggles. We're working on this one this week. Do you remember? Short E says long E says E. Good. Now they don't go together, they go separate. This one goes on the long vowel, E, because he's yellow. You said his name, he's fancy. Okay, E. What's this one? Good, F. Okay, let's go. Can you find this one? Granny the fan says good. This one. Willie the washer says whoa. Good. What's this one? X for going out the door. Exit. Please exit. X. Ooh, that reminds me of some yummy popcorn. That sounds like a good snack for this afternoon. Popcorn. Okay, we're gonna have to move the camera just a little bit. It's all the way down here. Do you see him? Good. Popcorn. Okay, we back straight again. Kids don't mind, but mommies and daddies do. Mommies and daddies get a little silly about how things have to naturally be straight and all of that. So mommies and daddies. It's not straight. Okay, next one. Ooh, can you find this one? Ticking timer goes tick. There he goes. Harry the hound dog. When he runs, he gets tired and he says, Good. Where does he go? Next one. Tugboat goes, Now there's our letter U, S-T-U. Oh, no, he's a short vowel. He's a green car, so he goes at the end. Do you see him? There. Good. It's okay if your cards get messed up. If you've already done them, that counts. You don't have to do them again. If they get messed up or they fall off or they slip and slide, that's okay. Just go ahead and push them off to the side because you've already done those. Okay, these are the ones that we still have to do, or at least that Miss Kristin has to do. So these are the ones I'm going to do. You only have to do them once. I still have my yellow cards. Whoops, my yellow cards over here. Okay, let's do this one. Quacking ducks say quack, quack, quack. We did this card last week. Dinah the dinosaur loves to dance. That's right. D. Pam the lamb, when she calls her mommy, she says, ah. Oh, I was going to put her over here, but that's our long A sound. Let's put Pam the lamb on the other one. Vacuum, V. Okay. Bouncing ball goes B. Yep, you know where that one goes. Clicking camera. You say, wait, there's two clicking cameras. That's okay, because C makes k, and K makes k. Miss Kristin uses K for my name, Kristin. But some people use C for their name, like Carrie, Claire, Caleb, Colton, Captain. All kinds of C, and K words and names. They all say k, k, k. Oh, we're getting so close to the end. Okay, good. Jenny the jumper likes to jump. Okay, mix them all up. Are you ready? Okay, first let's do this one. Can you pick up the A? Long A with the yellow says A, like. I can't think of any words that start with A. Acorn, yeah, good. What is another one? Good. Okay, let's do this one next. You find I. Good, like ice cream. Ice cream, I. O like overalls, oh. See, he's hiding over here. He's all the way over here. Find him? Okay, we're done. We're almost done. Last one. U for uniform, unicycle. Okay, all right. U says his name because of that yellow. So it says U. Awesome. We did it. Good job. Okay, now we're going to make some words. We're going to make 3 words today. I'm going to say the word and I want you to see if you can spell it first, and then Miss Kristin will help you. The first word is k, a, t. Do you see my fingers? K, a, t. So the first sound is going to be k, k, k. So Miss Kristin, there's 2 letters that make k, k, k. You're right. You're looking for k, k, clicking camera card that is spelled with C. Oh, that's right. We know. K, k, k. Okay, so put it down on your board like this. If you have other cards down here, swipe them gently away, not onto the floor, just gently over into a pile, or you can leave your cards matched on your board like Miss Kristin. K, k, k. We need C. Next letter is going to be A for cat. A. What's that one? It's not A, because that would be K, like cake. It's this one, A. Panda lamb says A. Good. And the last sound in k, a, t. What is it? T. Ticking timer. Good job. Did you spell it? Okay, let's sound it out. K, a, t. Say it fast. Cat. Good job. Now, the best way that this works is if you put your cards back where they were, because then you'll be able to find them. Put them back. Okay, I'll wait for you. Are you done? Okay, good. Now, the next word we're going to spell rhymes with cat, but it's something that you play ball with. You have a ball and you have a stick that hits it. What's that thing called? The bat. That's right. So our 3, I'm going to use these 3 fingers. 3 sounds are going to be b, a, t, b, a, t, bat. Okay, what do we need first? B sound. B sound is b, bouncing ball. Okay, now a. What do we need next? Panda lamb says a. Good, get your Panda lamb card. Last one. T for ticking timer says t. Look, you spelled a word. B, a, t spells bat. Now, can you make your name with these cards? That would be a fun thing to do. Okay, let's do that at the end. I said we were going to do 3 words, so we have 1 more word. First, let's put bouncing ball card back, and T for ticking timer back, and A for Pam the lamb back. Okay? Now, the last word